Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Fountain Hills local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, affordable mover in Fountain Hills, Arizona. Our professional crews assist residential, commercial, and specialty customers with their local and long-distance moves. When you plan a long-distance relocation to or from Fountain Hills, Arizona, you may be wondering how to avoid the moving industry scams you hear about. The most important thing to do is to use a moving company registered with FMCSA. That's the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, and all interstate carriers must register. There are some other signs of potential fraud that you should be on the lookout for when choosing a mover. 1. Avoid companies that won't conduct an on-site review of your household goods. Some movers offer you an attractive bid over the phone but won't perform a visual examination of your shipment. This omission may lead to a substantial price increase when they come to complete the move. Insist on a written estimate based on a visit to your residence. 2. Be suspicious if the mover wants a large deposit in advance, particularly if they demand cash. Movers should expect payment when they deliver your goods, not before. Paying by credit card allows you to dispute the transaction if there is a conflict, while cash does not. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fountain Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.